learn T. That's verb conjugation. Okay. Here we can see it uses we can repeat these pronunciations. I means each. Each learn Deutsch. Okay. You means du informal. Du spielt Fußball. Okay. He means ihr. Ir. Ihr arbeitet. She means sie. Sie trinkt Wasser. Trinkt Wasser. Okay. It means is. Is regnet. We means wir. Wir gehen. You plural. Ihr. You plural means ihr. Ihr let's eine Buch. Okay. Buch means book. They means sie. Sie common as Indian. Means I'm from India. Sie common as India. Sie means they. They common as India. Sie common as Indian. Now verb conjugation with present tense. Of present tense verb conjugation. For example, verb is equal to learn. To learn. Okay. Each learn. Du lernst. With ihr, sie, is uses conjunction used is learnt. Wir lernen. Wir with wir wir used learn. Wir lernen. Ihr यानी plural you. Ihr means ihr. Ihr lernt. Sie lernen. This is how verb change in German. The base verb lernen becomes learn, lernst, and learnt, depending on the pronoun. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો હું શીખું છું, તું શીખે છે, તે શીખે છે. જર્મનમાં સેમ meaning, just verb ending changes. Always remember each is equal to end with e. Do is equal to end with st. Ir, z, is equal to end with t. Wir end with in, en. Ihr is equal to end with t. Z end with en, n. Practice sentences. First, ich lerne Deutsch. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn Deutsch. I learn German. Du spielst Fußball. Du spielst Fußball means you plays football. Ihr arbeitet im Büro. Ihr arbeitet in Büro. She arbeitet in Büro. Okay. Wir gehen zur Schule. Wir gehen your Schule. Sie trinken Wasser. She drinking water. Okay. Repeat them daily for strong basic. Okay. Slowly speak and repeat daily, not these sentences for repeat. Now negative sentences. Use nicht. Nicht is equal to not, means not. Let's practice some sentences. To make sentences negative, add nicht after the verb or at the end. Nicht means not. Example: Ich lerne nicht. I am not learning. Very simple. Okay. Next. To make sentences negative, add nicht after the verb or at the end. Nicht means not. Example: Ich lerne nicht. I am not learning. Very simple. Okay. Next. Let's homework and summary. Okay. So that's all today's day 2 class. We learned articles, nouns, pronouns, verb conjunctions, and simple present tenses, sentences. Okay. Revise these 2-3 times and you will be ready for day 3, where we will learn question sentences and verbs like haben and sein, sein. If you like this class, subscribe to MGLABS and comment your doubts. Danke schön. Thank you very much.